Hello, welcome back to the TV room. Dave Bradley here, looking at the bottom of this 8K pet. I think it's an 8K pet. It does not have, of all things, the original screws. They have Robertson heads, but so far, this Phillips screwdriver is having success in getting the first one to come out. So far. Oh man, it's a long screw. Now, I'm never going to put these back in, so it doesn't matter. Okay, if I've ripped the heads up a little bit. All right, let's see. Undoubtedly, as typically happens, one thing will work and the other will not. Nope, it won't go. All right, well, let's reach over here. Oh, well, here's something. Here's a Torx bit. Nope. Another thing that can work is if you have, oh dear, a slotted screwdriver that's just the right size, it might work. Oh, I did not expect this. Because, see, these things generally don't have these things in them. They have Phillips screws. No, that's not doing anything. Oh, dear. Sorry, this has not gone as planned. See? Robertson. Nothing wrong with the Robertson. I think actually those are a Canadian invention. But I don't think I have anything here that will deal with this. So, hang on. Stay with me. I'm going to the box room. Okay. Because I know when I was in here looking for other things, I did find some Robertson screwdrivers, and I don't know why I had them here. Because I don't really, they're not something that gets used in these things. They're not. Well, I'm looking at a multi-bit thing. That might be handy. Might be. Yes. Probably not. Oh well. I'll grab some things that may or may not be helpful. What's this? This is a little screwdriver. Oh, this might be helpful. I've got to get tidied up. Oh yeah. Oh my. Gotta get tidied up. All right. I'm coming back in. Now, the first thing I have is indeed a Robertson screw. Oh, look at that. It looks like it will fit. And it does. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Okay. Now, the thing I want to do, as I get this out, I really don't want the machine to fly open. Oh no. So the screw has come out, sort of. There we go. The screw is out. Okay. I'm going to get rid of those. I don't need them. I don't want them. All right. So now it's time to have a peek inside. We'll see if everything is here or if there are things missing. Look, here's the little holder opener. Ooh, it's kind of dusty, but it does look like everything is there. It's quite every chip, everything has a thin layer of dust, but it does look like all the chips are there. So that is a good start. And I'm sure it's not going to make any difference. I'll turn it on because I can. And I'm sure I'm going to see, yeah, the same thing come up on the screen. Same thing. Not surprising. I've done nothing. Well, I'm going to turn it off. And just because I can and I'm right here, I'll pull this RAM chip out. And I will get my glasses. And we'll see that it is MPS 6550. Yes, that is what I expected. Well, one of the things about these machines is as long as you have these 4 RAM chips in, it will start up. So just for fun, I'm going to steal this one. And they come out pretty nice, and they come out pretty easy. And it is not easy to get in here in this configuration, but I will. I think I'm 1 pin off. Yes, I am. All right, so that's a different chip into the screen RAM, and it comes up the same. So we'll take this one out. We'll put it over here, preserving the configuration. There's the RAM chip. It is still kind of tough to get in here. And this... Now the funny thing is, of course, I mean, what I'm looking for is something to be different. And so far, the display has come up the same. So I believe that's all right. And in there. So I'll put this up and we'll see. Gibberish. Well, that is not altogether surprising. Because, of course, I mean, look, there's 18 RAM chips in here. I don't know what's good and what's bad. What I really need to do, I suppose, is grab another machine and test the RAM chips and see what's what. Because mind you, well, I guess I can do. I guess I could take this one out. Make sure I have the pins right. I do. I can put it back in here so I know where it came from. See, these all could be bad. Every single one of them. And that would not be good because these RAM chips are not cheap. Then there's also the battle of micro corrosion, and definitely there's dust in here. There is dust in here. There is. Okay, so we got another RAM chip in. Let's see what we see. Yeah, that's the same. Much the same. Interesting. Not surprising, but interesting. Well, I'll steal another. See, all we really need is 2 good RAM chips. That's all. In that spot, and then it may not work, but at least we'll see something different. And then we know we're getting somewhere. Boy, this one is giving a hard time. It is. But we got it. Alright. Well, we'll line the sucker up. Oops. As I say. Line the sucker up. Pop it in. Turn it on, and I'm sure we're going to see the exact same thing. Pretty much. Okay. Well, looks like we're not making a whole lot of progress here. But we do know that. What do we know? We know that it's consistent. Now it's funny because usually with RAM chips, when you swap them, if something is wrong, usually it's not always the same wrong, and you'll see something different on the screen. I'm sure if I turn this on now with nothing in there, yeah, I just get like it's like a a big blank thing. Always check the witness mark. Alright. Come on. Nope, it doesn't seem to feel right. It just doesn't. I've got the one side in, and I'm getting the other side in. Alright, it's not happening. I'll try it in the other one. Remember, this is not the ideal thing with me sticking my arm through. Okay, it's in. We'll turn it on. It won't work. It'll probably look. Oh well, it's different. Yeah, it's something. we'll try and get this one in. This is one of the original RAM chips. It does seem to be going in nicely. Turn it on, and of course it won't work. Nope, we're back to looking much like we did. So, yeah, that's about all we can do at this second. I need to, golly, I need to tidy up this bench here. Probably get another machine up here and start checking chips and things and stuff, and dusting and cleaning. Anyway, as I say, I really try not to get more things. But who knows? Maybe I will be selling some things at the World of Commodore. And that's happening November 30th and December the 1st of 2024 at the Admiral Inn. Go to tpug.ca and look at all the information. And it will be great to see you there. All right. Time to tidy, time to clean. Oh, that's interesting. I just noticed something here. Looks like there was perhaps a wire that broke on this keyboard, and it has been corrected. Yes, I see right here there's tape, and there's tape. Interesting. Well, things happen. They do. All right, enough for now. We'll see you again later after I shuffle some things, move some things, and get another old pet up here. Have a lovely day. Oh, and I may use a little deoxit too, because micro-corrosion is the enemy. Macro-corrosion is not good either. But this looks very clean, very nice, just dusty. At least it isn't like the other one. Remember, long ago I was working on dusty, rusty, and crusty. This just looks like dusty. Anyway, thanks for coming. See you again. Bye for now.